tip extensions glue gels. However, if you have your crystal trifecta, which is your condensed glue gels, your no web top coat, and you don't have to have this on the encapsulate, but I'm going to show you how. So you can do it with the clients like this is, I have an ombre. You can do it ombre, or let's say doing an ombre. I should doing an ombre on this one. Just really quick and simple.
There's a little dot thing on the nails.
The little ombre stuff.
That's
I mean,
fine. Okay.
the little,
That's a little
no.
later.
Okay. I think it's accidentally getting there. You don't have to. I just want to play with the some ombre, but do on the top of any colors you want. So just in case you are doing a simple ombre, I am go ahead and using, let me see where my beige gels. You can using a little bit of beige gel to soften your bristles, and I'm using a number 1 bristles, the brush, floral brush. I'm gonna just like soften it and keep the bristle parallel with the nail plates and brush it toward to the cuticles and then let go. Something in there, but I'm not worried about it. Okay. Okay, here for 60 seconds. And I'm gonna using, doesn't matter, you can use aurora gels. If you have a cat eyes, do cat eyes gels. If you have aurora gel, do whatever you have. Just cat eyes, you can leave it alone like cat eyes, or you can activate it, it doesn't matter. This one I don't remember using number 40 or what numbers I'm using. It doesn't matter, it looks so cute. Or if you have aurora is this is a cute one too. Which one should I do? Should I add, it doesn't matter whatever color aurora on it, it looks cool and stunning. Should I use aurora with no magnetics activate, or should I do a cat eyes?
Do aurora.
Because you see me do cat eyes all the time.
Mm-hmm.
So anyone have any ideas or want to make a vote?
J for aurora.
Aurora. Stephanie from YouTube, thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you, Victoria. Thank you, April. I hope I don't miss anyone at all. And thanks so much, Instagram fam. So aurora, so you don't need to get the activate magnetics. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it all and tie the nails. This is, I love it. It's just give it a little bit hint of it, and it's not too crazy. It's like sparkle, it's so shimmery. I love it. This is one of my favorites. I'm probably gonna be the one, it's like if no one's using this, I'm probably gonna be the one is sticking with this, because you have to see this in person to see how beautiful it can be. Like if the clients want some shimmery on, oh, I don't want it too sparkly, this is gonna be a great choice. All right, go ahead and here 60 seconds. You know what I keep saying is 60 seconds. When you're doing 5 nails, you pop this hand into the lamp. It's time for you to do the other hand. So by the time you finish this 60 seconds, the other hand's gonna be done. So then you get completely full care for one hand for the clients, and then when you're working on the other hand. So it's really nice and like practical. Okay, so we are go ahead and using the premium IHO chamfer foil. That's why I said this is powerful. It's not only it just chamfer your foil image, it's also is encapsulate a lot of not only glitter. So this time I'm gonna do glitter. Next time I'm probably doing a little of really cute themed, like a metal.
You can
gold.
do like paper charm.
Yeah, you can do that one as well. So I'm gonna add some of this. This one. Go ahead and using premium IHO chamfer foil. this is a good foundation to grab any of your glitter, or if you have your encapsulate of your paper charms, and also the mask lace, the nail art mask lace, that one is also work great for this. All right, cure for 30 seconds only. Just imagine that you do 6 nails and you cure for 30 seconds, and then you're working on the other hand. So I'm gonna pick like, maybe because this nail is shorter, so I'm gonna pick like a couple of the, oh my gosh, if you have one of this, like it's Autumn's glitter. If you have this, I don't know how long that take you to finish, maybe 10 years. You invest one like set of 6 glitter, it probably lasts you for life. You don't need to even like, and the rest, you do 1 or 2 clients, you're getting your investment money back. The rest of them are your absolute profits. And this is pretty much never go out of style because of the maple leaves. Every year it's fall come in, the maple is falling, and just that's what you need. And this is getting really cute of classic colors you were thinking of. So I'm gonna go ahead and place some of the like maple leaves. You can do it however you want. You can't plate them. I don't know why it just decided to lay it right there. So what I'm gonna do, I already placed it on. Look at that, it doesn't run nowhere, it just suck right in. That's the powerful of your premium iHo transfer foil. It's not running, it's not shifting at all. So I'm gonna using this little like #1 spore brush and pick up some more. This is that what I using, I think it's like, it's Autumn Love.
I think it's Fall in Love.
Fall in Love.
I think so. The Fall in Love glitter set should also be under our fall and Halloween HQ.
Yeah, oh my gosh, snatch the 20% off of the sales is great. And also don't forget, you are receiving your is Halloween treasure bags with all of your order of $99 or more.
Oh, that is nice.
Is that cute? It's
That's
so
very
simple.
cute.
This is for a lot of you having clients doing your job policy, and you're like, oh, my clients don't do any of crazy like crystal and charms. They don't have to. They can have any of this cutest things and simple, and then you still able to increase your income. You don't have to stuck with like thinking, oh my gosh, I don't using any crystals, or my clients is not ready for crystal yet, so it means that I can't increase my income. It's no, you can. Look at that. It wrap around the nails already. You see that is there no like popping up edges of yours is glitter. I'm gonna go ahead and using of the dual end tweezer and kind of flat all of them and make sure they are staying it on. You know, you don't pretty much have to do anything because your is premium iHo transfer foil is already like, it just like grab everything. You don't feel nothing at all. Like if you just, for you to just testing it, it's not like for you to touching crazy on. But then you can see how cool it is. And then now all you need to do is your crystal trifecta is will come in and seals everything, and it will keep your glitter at last weeks to come, like 4 weeks or 3 weeks or 2 weeks when the clients come back. So all you need to do is a good thin layer of the condensed glue gels, thick density, so you don't need a whole lot, because unless you're doing like a big 3D crystal, if you don't have your omega gels or extra thick condensed glue gels, you can definitely using the condensed glue gels. But we're gonna do a really good layer to seal like Encap nicely. And do not care yet, just glide your no wipe top coat right on the top of your uncured condensed glue gels, floating, so you can create another layer to cap without pulling your condensed glue gels off. All right, you see that? I'm gonna show you from the sides. Wall to the side wall, it stays nice and it wrap, so no edges popping up at all whatsoever. All right, so go ahead and key it for 60 seconds.